students. Today I teach you lesson number 7 circle. In circle I can teach you next topic relationship between radius and diameter. In previous video I can I can teach you that which is the radius and which is the diameter. This is look this figure. Study the circle given alongside. Think over the following question. Which are the radii in the circle? This is the circle given, and this is the which one is the radii? There is the OA and OB are the radii of the circle. How many radii make the diameter AB? The AB is the diameter. O is the center. AB make the two radii OA and OB. If the length of the one radius is 3 cm, if OB is 3 cm, what is the length of the diameter? Then diameter is what is the length of diameter? If radius is 3 cm, the diameter is the double and 6. The AB is diameter and this is the 6. How long is the diameter as compared to the radius? The diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. So always remember that the diameter is of the circle is always twice the length of the radius. If the length is 3 cm, then diameter is 6 cm. So always remember this one. If another diameter CD is drawn on the same circle, will its length be the same as that of the AB? All the diameters of a circle are of same length. So they can say that all the diameters are of a circle are of same length. Every diameter is same length of the circle. Measure the diameter of the and radii of the circle given below with a ruler and verify the relationship between their length. Here diagrams are given. This is there are three circles are given. This is one is the center. So you can count this radii and write their diameter. This one is the radius is 1 cm. The diameter is 2 cm. You can draw on the line from this and count and measure this one and write there in the box. Okay. So this can do in your notebook. Okay. Test 2. Draw a circle on a piece of a paper and cut it out. I can draw a circle. This one is the circle. Then the center of the circle as a P. So I can write here P. P is the center of the circle. Draw the diameter of the circle. Name it AB. I can draw here diameter. This one is the diameter of the circle. I can draw here diameter and name it as a AB. So this one is named as the AB. PA and PB. This one is named as the I can write here AB. The PA and PB are the radii of the circle. Hold the paper at the P in such a way that the point V will found on the point A. So this one is the diameter. This one is the diameter. So fold the circle. I can fold this one. I can fold this circle. So look there. Fold the circle at P in such a way that the V will fall on the point A. The VB is the falls exactly PA. The another word they coincide. From this we can say that radius of circle is half length of the diameter. So from this we can say that the radius of this means the diameter and length of the radius is half. So this one is shows that the radius of a circle is half of the length of its diameter. So from this we can solve the problem. Set 29. Solve all this question 1, 2, 3. Next is the interior and exterior of a circle. So this one is the circle. There is some points are given. This in a circle this is the interior point, and on the circle this one is the and outside the circle there is some point. This is the exterior of the circle. We play land and sea. So always you can play the game that land and sea inside the circle on the playground in this game. In the children inside the circle or in the sea. If you are inside the circle, this one is the sea. If you are outside the circle, this one is the land. This one is the game. In the picture alongside K, L, N, M are the points on the circle. This one are the points on the circle and center is the T. The colored area. This one is the color area, blue area. Inside the circle in the picture is the interior of the circle. P, Q, R, T are the points interior of the circle. So this is the interior points. A, B, C, D are the exterior points, exterior of the circle. So you can understand what is interior, exterior and point on the circle. This is K, N, M, L are the point on the circle. A, B, C, D are the exterior points on the circle. And this one is the blue yellow color area. There is the points on. This is the interior points. Okay. From this you can solve the problem set 30. Okay. Next is the circumference of a circle. Take a ball with a circular edge. I can take the bowl with a circular edge and around pasting around the bowl. I can tie the circle take the bowl and take the thread over it like that. You can take the thread under the circle and straighten it out, and then next is the and measure this length of the circle, and next is the measure this length from the ruler. This one is the circumference of the circle. This area is the circumference of the circle. Okay, the circumference of the circle is 12 and the circumference of circle is 12 centimeter and 3 mm. So like that, this one is the circumference of the. They can take the bowl and the tigs are the thread here. Thread is bigger and they can measure the length. So this one is the circumference of a circle. Next topic is the end arc of a circle. This one is the circle. This one is the diameter AB and shown alongside a plastic bangle. They can take a plastic bangle. This one is a plastic bangle. If the bangles is break down points A and B. So this is a plastic bangle. They take 2 points A and B. It will be split into 2 parts. They can break the plastic bangle. Each of these parts are the arc of a circle. This one is the arc of a circle. This one is the arc of a circle. Next is the on the given circle. There is the circle is given there. There are 2 points P and Q. This one is the P and Q points. These 2 points have divided the circle into 2 parts. This PQ and Q are divided. This one is the arc and this one is also another arc. So this P and Q are divided the circle into 2 parts, PSQ and PRQ. Each of these parts are arc of a circle. This is called as the arc of a circle. This means that P and Q have created 2 arcs. This means that P and Q. 2 points are end points of the both arcs. This is the P and Q are the end points of the both arc, PSQ and PRQ. From the name, arc is the PQ. We cannot say which of the 2 arcs are speaking of. So, an additional point is taken on each arc. The point is used to given each arc are 3 letters. The arc has always 3 letters. In the figure, there are 2 arcs are PSQ and PRQ. These are the 2 arcs. So, this one is the arc of a circle. You can understand what is the arc of a circle. I can take this angle, break this angle. This one is the arc and this one is also. These points are make P and Q are points make the 2 arcs PSQ and PRQ. Okay. So, from this problem, solve the problem set 31. So, okay students, you can solve all this. If any difficulty, you can ask me, okay.